Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Avmatrix HVS0402U streaming video switcher and you need to do a hard reset on it to its factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for two different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this video switcher is not working or not connecting, or if it seems to be frozen and not responding, a hard reset is a good way to fix a lot of these issues. The other thing is, if you have gotten one of these used, or if for just whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and just have everything deleted off of it and have it restored to its factory default settings, we can go ahead and do that actually quite simply via the system settings menu. So all you're going to need to do is you'll have to have it hooked up to its video source or whatever, like that video display. And right here, we're just going to come in and hit the menu button, which is the dial up here. And then from there, we're just going to navigate. It's very simple. We'll navigate to the system settings menu. And then straight from the system's setting menu, you'll see there is a factory reset menu, and you can factory reset it to its default factory settings right from there.